Citing a lack of meaningful outcomes and zero arrests from the June 21st joint security operation in Leilong Baipai, the Naga People's Organization NPO sought accountability from the CRPF's Cobra unit and other involved security forces. In a press release, the organization stated that gunfire and explosives were reported during the operation. It further cited reports of security forces surrounded nearly 100 armed insurgents belonging to the KNFP, UKNA and KRA groups, whom the NPO accused of abducting 18 innocent Naga civilians and subsequently butchering 6 of them. The organization raised concerns over the intent of the security forces behind the operation and decried the lack of arrests even after a considerable number of security personnel reportedly advanced towards the KNFP Ebenezer camp on June 23rd. They reminded security forces that the mortal remains of the 6 butchered Naga civilians still lie in the Jennings mortuary awaiting justice. Noting that a charter of demands has already been submitted to Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, the NPO added that the early morning lathi charge, arrest and detention of peaceful, democratic protesters at Namdilong, Kangla Tongbi on June 24th cannot be justified under any circumstances. The organization also warned that the Naga people will be compelled to intensify their democratic agitation, potentially interrupting the movement of military convoys and supplies if security forces continue to resort to high-handed actions against peaceful protesters.